guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Obviously, I am going through it. I was in the process of getting ready, and I have not put makeup on in over a week and a half, and so I was like, okay, I should probably vlog this. Basically, Jamie and Avery and I are gonna go do a photo shoot today, which I'm actually excited about. I hung out with Jamie yesterday during the day, and then Avery slept over here yesterday, and Avery literally just left my house to go get like her makeup and her clothes to come back to my house to get ready. Jamie's coming over once she does her hair, Avery's getting all her stuff, then coming over to get ready, and then we'll take photos somewhere. It's honestly not even pretty out, but I have no idea where this vlog is gonna go, but I thought it'd be fun. We went to Starbucks and I got a new drink, and it's so good. So guys, I recommend, if you like sweet strawberry things, get this. It's strawberry acai lemonade with extra ice double blended, and this is huge. Like, I should have probably gotten a small. I don't know what the small is called. I never get a small, but it's really good and I really like it. But I'm getting ready, so I thought I'd vlog a little bit. I literally have not put makeup on in so long. Summer, I just never wear makeup. Like, it's not necessary to me. I feel better without it. Also, I'm literally tan. Like, I have my big old ring light on because it's really dark outside and in my room, so you guys might not be able to tell, but I am tan for me, and I'm using my tan concealer. Like, this concealer like doesn't show up at all, so you just kind of gotta wing it. I'm gonna get ready. I'm literally just gonna put some powder, bronzer, do my eyebrows, mascara, and that's about it. And I just don't like wearing makeup that much, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm watching TV and I'm gonna drink my Starbucks. Alrighty, so we all finished getting ready. Let me just say,
hi.
It was a long process.
That's all I
Avery did not want to get ready.
I did it, and I cried in the car on the way here, and then Caiti.
Okay, but I made her.
And then
we all
oh
look.
my God, it looks so good. And we're like,
Exactly.
Avery.
Look, the baddie like go off. She's wearing my clothes, but you know it's good. Jamie's wearing my clothes.
Hey, don't step on the
first. And Jamie is wearing wedges
so that I can be tall, because I'm 5'3.5".
But now we're like, look, we're like low key, kind of the same height now.
Let me
so
spin.
I'm 5'8" and 3/4. So dang, you're actually tall.
I'm 5'10" and a lot of quarters. Look at her.
She's got a weenie. Okay, we're going to a parking deck. All right, so we are in Avery's car. She has a big old red Jeep Wrangler. It's brand new for her because she just got it, but it's a 2010 and it's so nice.
Windows.
It literally,
She looks
the
brand new,
windows
though.
crank.
I
I love this
enough
car.
money.
I love this car. Do you know how much it takes to fill up your tank? No. But we're at the gas station now because she got no gas in here. Let me do a little outfit of the day. So this is a yellow cropped tank. You probably saw it in my last haul on my main channel. It's from Shein and it's very cute. Then I'm wearing some jean shorts. I honestly have no idea where they're from. And then I'm wearing my custom Jordans from Lawless Customs, and I freaking love her. Go check her out on Instagram. They're ones, and then she custom them, and they're so sick. Do you know what you're doing over there? Yep. Okay, good job. Hello, loves. I cannot see anything,
Hello.
but we made it to the top of the Avalon parking deck. What kind of camera do you have? A big one. It's heavy. Yeah. Nikon?
D80, yeah, it's a Nikon D80, and then with a special lens.
So the security guard definitely just told us to leave, but he was nice, so it's okay. And we all got pictures. Whoa, it's echoey. They were cute, but now we have to go back down to DeCort because we're on level 4 and it's blocked off, so whoopsies. So we're at our normal parking deck, and this is the hospital parking deck, and this one we can't get kicked out of, so I'm gonna get naked when no tennis bracelet. The 2020 fans. Boop, boop. He gave me neck. No, I got the check.
Cha-cha.
Wait. So you think time, right? Oh, I forgot I was recording. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. I never quite finished the vlog with Jamie and Avery. Basically, we just hung out at my house till like 10 p.m. when they both left yesterday. Avery goes to Arkansas for a week tomorrow, and Jamie's coming to my mountain cabin with us to spend the weekend on the lake on our new boat this weekend, so I'm very, very excited. I figured I would vlog a little more today. I have a few things to do right now, and I need to ship out a bunch of Poshmark packages. I seem to always get Poshmark orders when I'm not home, like when I'm at the mountains, when I was in Florida. Whenever I'm busy, I get Poshmark packages. And if you don't know, people can cancel their order if you don't ship it out in like 5 days. So I have 4 packages here and 1 more that needs to get out, and they're all packaged. I just need to print the packing slip and tape it, and that's the hardest, most annoying part. This is how I ship out my Poshmark orders. I have this big box of bags that I'm probably gonna have to reorder soon, but it's like these slip bags that I got off of Amazon. I've had these for like a year, and it came in a pack of 100 for like 30 bucks or 20 bucks, and I use them all the time. This is what I ship out all my packages in. And then I grab the item. Where did I put it? Oh, here. Somebody bought this brand new Nike Pro Warm like sweatshirt that I've literally never worn before. Very nice quality. So then I fold it up and I write a handwritten note and put it all together. I have these custom cards with my logo on it down here that say Katie's Corner, and then the back says #Catesters. And I normally just write a sweet note, say hi, thank you for your purchase, I love you so much, you're gonna look great, I hope you enjoy, that kind of stuff. Just like that. And then we fold together our item. If you don't know my Poshmark, it's caitidecort with no spaces, no capitals. It's in the description box if you want to check it out. And then if you use the code caitidecort when you sign up, you get $10 off your first purchase. No, this isn't sponsored. Poshmark used to sponsor a lot of people on YouTube. I want them to sponsor me so bad because I've used Poshmark for years and it's so good. Like, it's the easiest way to sell your clothes. Poshmark, reach out to me, please. I would love to do a sponsor. That would be like my best sponsorship ever because I use their stuff all the time. You slip this into the bag, you kind of air it out, and then you peel this part off, and this part is sticky. Alrighty, so I'm done printing, and that literally took forever because our printer was being so stupid. I have all the labels printed out, and now you have to cut all of them and tape them onto the packages. 10 minutes later, my fingers are a little tired and I have all the packages ready to go. And I'm gonna go put them in the mailbox right now. Poshmark orders are in the mailbox and they're gonna be picked up by the mailman today. And now I have a little bit more cleaning to do. So glad I got that done though. I've been procrastinating that for a while. Now I need to take out my trash. I have a lot of trash. It just accumulates. Here's Avery's Whoppers and Mike and Ike's. Here's a Shein package full of trash. Here's an Amazon package. Oh, there's my Starbucks. I just have a lot of stuff and I hate taking out my trash. I never do it. A whole trash bag ready for action. Trash is taken out. Now I need to make my bed. Honestly, I don't have that much stuff on here, but the sheets always fall off and it is very annoying. So I need to put the sheets back on and then rearrange my comforter and my pillows and then put my Caiti blanket back on. So let's do a cool transition. 1, 2. Hopefully that worked. Here's the bed now. It is so clean. It's so nice. Look, we can see all of my floors besides a little pile of clothes. It's very clean. Now I'm gonna list this bikini on Poshmark. This whole video is just basically Poshmark, but this is one that I got from Shein that was too small for me that I said on my main channel video that I'd be listing. And so many people have DM'd me or asked me saying like, when are you listing it? So I'm gonna do it now. And whoever lucky person gets this bikini, you're welcome. Hi, Gabby. Hi, pretty girl. Hello. It's a few hours later from when I first vlogged and started vlogging today. I changed my shirt because I went and sat out in the rain. And it's been pretty rainy the past few days and honestly, I've been living for it. Sometimes I literally just go sit out in the rain because it's calming and it's soothing and I think about stuff very deeply. I don't know why, I just really like the rain, so let me live, okay? Also, I look like a colonial man with my hair like this. It's been in a high pony all day in like one of these hair ties and I've not used one of these hair ties in so long, so my head really hurts. I basically have a bunch of packages that I got. Some companies sent me a lot of stuff and I hadn't been checking my P.O. box in a while. What is she doing? She just snuck her whole butt out of here. I figured I'd do a little unboxing haul for you guys because it's been a long time since I've done like a company one. Most of the time it's me spending my own money and going broke. This time companies sent me stuff, which is really fun. I'm gonna go in no specific order. Basically, Starface sent me some products, and if you don't know what Starface is, those are those little star pimple patches that you see like all the TikTokers use. You put them on your acne overnight and then the pimple goes away. And I've had pimple patches before, but never the star one. The packaging is also adorable, but it says, watch this space. Ooh, they came out with a space wash instead of face wash. That's funny. Foaming facial cleanser in yellow packaging, of course. We'd love to see it. This is so cute. I'll have to read the ingredients and see if this is good. The packaging is 10 out of 10. Like, if this is good for my skin, I will definitely use it. And then here are the iconic little stars. I haven't even opened it. Like, I opened these packages, but I didn't look at what was in them, so. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little star package. Oh my goodness, this is precious. The container's adorable. It has a mirror here, so you can literally apply it like on the go. And then here are the star stickers. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it comes with a bunch of them in individual little pack. Thank you so much to Starface for sending me these. These are so cute and I cannot wait to try them and let you guys know how they are. It fits my aesthetic perfectly. So then there's this company called Leggings and they sent me a bunch of stuff. They reached out to me via email, and you guys know during school year in winter I live in leggings, not so much during summer. They wanted to send me some stuff. They wrote me a cute little note, and honestly the packaging came very, very nice. It came with a cute little sticker and a scrunchie, which we gotta love it. And this scrunchie is very big, so it won't pull your hair. That's so cool. These are all handmade in Mexico. That's awesome. Of course, I'm so thankful for everything that I get sent, but I did give them my sizes, and they gave me a medium-sized sports bra, and normally I'm a large. Everybody knows this. We got a lot going up on here, so we'll see if this fits. It doesn't look too small. I'm not in love with the color. Like, the quality is very nice. I don't really wear this color, and I'm not a big gold person, so I could definitely see myself giving this to a better home if it doesn't fit, but the material is super nice, and it's very comfy and stretchy. They then sent me this tank crop top workout top in a size small. Like, it looks like a bigger small, so maybe it can work with a sports bra or something, but we'll have to see if I can fit this. Medium, yes. Okay, we got, these are just like this teal color with the little gold at the bottom, which it only has it on one leg, which is kind of cool. These will be fun. They're thick material, and they have a good quality waistband, which I really like when the waistband is thick, and they feel very soft. So thank you so much to Oro Leggings for sending me these. I'm very excited, and it goes to a good cause, and they help donate money back to where they're originally made in Mexico, so that's awesome. And the last place that I have stuff from is Ivory Ella. I've worked with Ivory Ella before. This isn't sponsored, but they do send me some clothes sometimes, and I post on Instagram, or I have done like a campaign with them, so they're very sweet to me, and they sent over some summer stuff, which I love. And Ivory Ella I also love because a portion of their profits always get donated back to elephants and saving them so they don't go extinct. We love that. Animals need to be saved. Oh my goodness. First, we have a multi tie-dye summer lovin' tee. Ooh, I love my tees. This is so cute and like very summery. The tie-dye, the high quality. There's a pocket right here that says summer lovin'. And then the back. Oh, I love the back. That is fresh. This is so nice, and the quality is very nice as well. That is adorable. Then we have a sweatshirt. Ah, those are my favorite. Literally, my closet has no more space for any more hoodies. It's a problem. I think I got this in an XL, which is 2 sizes big, so it's gonna be so oversized and so comf. Oh my goodness. This is epic. Oh my goodness. It has all the different colors: yellow, green, purple, blue, and it's just plain, and it says Ivory Ella right here in the corner. This is so cute. Thank you so much. That's awesome. And they sent some more stuff. Like, I don't know what this is. Black. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I think these are biker shorts. Let me see. Yeah, these are biker shorts. That's so cute. They are size large, and normally I'm a medium in bottoms, but I could probably get away with these. These are really fun. And I don't really wear biker shorts, but I think this could be a look with that hoodie, the oversized. Let's hope they fit. They're really nice quality though, and very stretchy. Oh, this is the water bottle. I saw this when I opened the package. Look at this water bottle. You guys know I have like a thing with water bottles right now. I don't know why. It's weird, but this one says Ivory Ella, and it has the elephant there. Refill, reuse every day, reduced waste. Period. And it looks like very fancy. Like, this looks high end. And there's one last thing in here. Stretchy logo bracelet, purple tie-dye. Everybody knows tie-dye is the thing right now. Elephant. The little elephant on it. This is adorable. I got lots of bracelets, lots of rings, lots of stuff going on, but thank you so much to every single company and people that sent me stuff. It means the world. I think it's crazy how companies literally just send me things. Like, that's awesome, and I'm so excited to try it all out. I need to now put all my new goodies away in my room, and I low-key really want to try everything on and see if it fits and how I like it, but I'm very lazy, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I feel like I've vlogged enough, and for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna be watching Blacklist, which is my new show of choice on Netflix. It's another criminal series. Because that's all I like, is watching crazy people who like to kill other people. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get this channel to 150K. We are, I think, like 3,000 away, which is super cool. Love you guys. Follow my Instagram. I've been posting some bomb summer pics, bikini pics, lake pics, just good vibes overall, and I've been loving it. So I hope you guys have too. Subscribe to the main channel, and feel free to give me some main channel video ideas because I'm always looking for some more. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye guys. Peace in the Middle East.